Dear students, let's start with our books Chapter 6 National Flowers. Every country around the world is associated with a specific plant. Let's see what the national flowers of different countries are. हर देश पूरी दुनिया में एक स्पेसिफिक प्लांट से संबंध रखता है. चलिए देखते हैं अलग अलग देशों के नेशनल फ्लावर्स क्या हैं. फर्स्ट, this national flower of South Korea is widespread throughout much of Asia. A. Nasturtium. B. Hibiscus. C. Lotus. D. Orchid. Second, this famous mountain flower endangered in many countries is the national flower of Austria. A. Edelweiss. B. Petunia. C. Heliconia. Or D. Lily. Third, it is the national flower of Venezuela and its family consists of more than 25,000 species. A. Orchid. B. Peony. C. Magnolia. D. Camellia. Fourth, which is the national flower of Mexico and Colombia, introduced to Europe as late as the end of the 19th century. A. Dahlia. B. Rose. C. Lilac. D. Iris. Fifth, this perennial bulbous plant from the family of Liliaceae is the national flower of Iran. A. Sagebrush. B. Lily. C. Rose. Or D. Tulip. Sixth, which is the common name of the national flower of India, which is also called sacred water lily and is often associated with Buddhism. A. Poppy. B. Dahlia. C. Lotus. D. Chamomile. Seventh, the special kind of leaf originally used in medicine is the national flower of Ireland. A. Caladium. B. Silesia. D. Shamrock. Or D. Cosmos. Eighth, this plant with small blue flower heads, often regarded as a weed in the past, is the national flower of Estonia. A. Lily. B. Cornflower blue. C. Dahlia. Or D. Daisy. Ninth and the last, this flower, often associated with narcissism and egoism in art, is the national flower of Wales. A. Carnation. B. Daffodil. C. Lily. Or D. Violet. Now their solutions. First, B. Hibiscus. Second, A. Edelweiss. Third, A. Orchid. Fourth, A. Dahlia. Fifth, D. Tulip. Sixth, C. Lotus. Seventh, C. Shamrock. Eighth, B. Cornflower blue. And ninth, B. Daffodil. I hope you will do the exercise in your book as homework and learn them, and also go through the PDF and video. Thank you.